Pacie.
Hi.
Today is March 7th and we're back again, counting down to your birthday.
Oh
Oh yeah. You ready to open one today?
yeah. Yeah.
All right, let's go.
I'm gonna open this today.
Which one?
This one.
Okay.
Put that aside.
Good job. Alrighty.
Okay, I don't want to upset the Pacers this time.
Alright. No, I don't think you upset the Pacers. Let's just go.
Oh,
Oh, excuse me, what do you need?
never mind. I might need the scissors for a little bit.
Okay. And which one on this map does Pacie get
I
today?
hope I get the kitty.
There's another kitty?
I don't know.
Okay.
I hope for that one.
Oh, the one in Oklahoma? Why? Because she's pink?
Yeah.
Alright.
What do you think? She's purple now.
Alright, Pacie.
Oh man. Oh man, I believe who we got. I
Who do
know.
you think she got, Pacers?
I know who we got. Pacers. This one's so easy. And it's really on the map.
Alright, hold it up close.
He's a racer. It's Ryan Racer.
Ryan Racer? Ooh, interesting. Where do you think he is?
Where is he?
Let me see.
Indiana. He's
Indiana? Cool.
Indiana.
Look at him.
He's a racer.
He's a racer, car racer. That's cool.
Oops.
Alrighty.
Okay, can I just show you something?
What's up?
Yes.
That's his car? Alrighty. What do you want to tell your Pacers before we say goodbye?
I hope you stay safe and wear masks. So, bye. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Bye-bye. This is it. Subscribe. Click the bell, please. Ryan style. Indiana. Vroom, vroom.